Hi, I'm Becky Stringer, and this is my grandson, Boone. And for his class, he had to come up with a project to sell, and he's going to tell you what he's going to do and how he's going to do it.
I'm making hot chocolate mix. I'm using some creamer, some powdered sugar. I'm using some dry milk and some chocolate. Now I'm going to mix them in, and then I'm going to pour in this. So I'll put some of this in.
Yeah, he's going to pour all of each ingredient into this bowl and mix it.
Okay. Now here's the chocolate. Okay. Here's the dry milk. Here's the powdered sugar.
And he's only going to use half of this bag because the recipe calls for just 1 pound. Okay, and here's your stir.
I'm going to stir it up.
Okay, when he's finished stirring, he's going to dip them into these so they look like ice cream cones. And each 1/4 of a cup is 1 serving, so each cone will have 2 servings. And then to add, of course, you have to have marshmallows. Okay, I think that's probably enough. And he'll tie them up
with a string. And there you go.
And there is our hot chocolate serving. There's 2 servings in there. All you do is add hot water.
Thank you. And please like and subscribe.